Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today. Good morning, traders. How are you? I hope you're good. Thanks for joining us yesterday on the live stream. Always enjoy the live stream, guys. And a big shout out to everyone who asked me a question. Yeah, some really good questions yesterday. Next Wednesday we'll do the same, guys. So everyone, join us for the live streams on Wednesday. They're always above my head. Yeah, 6:30 London GMT before the London Open, and come and ask as many questions as you like, guys. Yeah, it's a great way for you to learn about trading, and also you might be in a problem trade that we could help you with. All right, so remember the live streams. Yeah, enjoyed it once again yesterday, guys. Also, Discord channel. Yeah, in the link, there's a link in the comments below the vid. Get my teeth in. Come join our Discord channel. You can talk with other traders. Right, guys. Today, what is today? Today is Thursday, the 15th of September. Okay, always we're going to look back at yesterday's trades, which was a tricky day. We're going to look at today's trades, and we're going to look at the news for today as well, guys. All right, so let's start. So yesterday, guys, we had three potential trades. Yeah, the first one was this. This was the Aussie dollar against the Swiss franc. All right, and we were looking to short this pair. Okay, one thing I do like about the live stream is my head is not in the way. But yeah, price was in a downtrend, guys. Okay, so it had come down, lower highs, and then it ranged. Okay. And then it come down again, and we got these lows were broken, these lows were broken. So we had lower lows, guys. Yeah, so that tells us it's a downward structure, a downward trend. All right, so that was the structure, a downtrend. Then we always look at the candles, guys. Yeah, we understand the trend, the structure, and then we look at the candles. What are they telling us? And then we had this candle here, guys. All right, so we were just trying to short this pair because of the downward structure, this very bearish candle from one of our grey zones was just trying to come down lower. All right, if I zoom out, you'll be able to see, yeah, this blue line here was our target here. Okay, so yeah, that was the idea, guys, but as you can see, that didn't quite happen. But let's look on the H1 to see if we had some entries. And we didn't, guys, on this one. Yeah, so yeah, price came down. It came back up into our grey zone here, but all of these candles is just upward momentum. Okay, just pushing up. It even breaks the last H1 highs here and here. Okay, so for me, this is a red flag. Yeah, H1 structure is changing. All the candles are green. Yeah, pushing up from this last low here. So, yeah, I just stayed out of this pair, guys. I might be interested again if price comes up to this grey zone. And then perhaps we could look for shorts there. But yesterday, guys, yeah, we just didn't have a trade. If we look at those candles on the H4, yeah, you can see it's this candle here. Yeah. And you really wouldn't want to try and sell this candle. Yeah. You know, even if you're not an expert on reading candles, guys, you do not want to short that candle. Yeah, this H4 candle. Okay, so for all those reasons, we stayed out of the Aussie dollar Swiss franc, guys. All right, so yeah, the first pair from yesterday, we didn't have a trade. The second pair was this. This was the Aussie dollar against the Canadian dollar. All right, and again, we were trying to short this. Okay, so remember the old faithful, the head and shoulders pattern, shoulder, head, shoulder, and then we were just trying to take price lower. Okay, so this is the shoulder. Excuse my writing, I haven't been drinking this morning, it's far too early. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Okay, shoulder, head, shoulder. Okay, and then when price breaks this level, which you can see it did, we're looking for shorts. Okay, and then we were looking at this candle as well. Yeah, so this is a super bearish candle. So the pattern, the head and shoulders pattern, said to short this market. The structure was in a downtrend that said short this market, and we had a bearish, very bearish candle which said short this market. Okay, but again, guys, yeah, we're trying to take price from one of our grey zones down to this blue line, or even this blue line here. Again, guys, as you can see, that didn't quite happen. All right, so let's go down to the H1 now and see what did happen. Okay, so for me, I entered this trade. Okay, so price came up to our grey zone, and then we got this candle. All right, and I was happy to enter off this candle. Okay, I entered on the close of the candle. All right, I put my stop around here, guys, around 10 pips above the entry candle. Okay, but I didn't put a stop, guys. Yeah, let me explain in a minute. But this was my entry candle, guys, and the idea was just to take price back down to here. All right, but obviously that didn't happen, guys, and my stop got hit. Yeah, as you can see, this candle here hit my stop. Okay, but guys, one of the more advanced tools that I use to manage my risk is this. Okay, so if I've got a couple of grey zones, yeah, like this, yeah, I've spoke to you about this before, guys. So this was my entry candle. I entered here, yeah, I had one sell. Call this sell number one. We're selling this market with a view to taking it down to here. That didn't happen. Okay, normally most people have a stop loss here, but instead I have a buy order. Yeah, let's call this buy one. All right, so guys, a more detailed explanation is in one of my tutorials. It's called using a buy sell order instead of a stop order. So please check that tutorial out, guys. Find it on the channel. Yeah, maybe my editor will pop up a link to it, but if not, find that tutorial. So now, guys, I'm in a sell one and a buy one at the same value. All right, so I am carrying this loss. Yeah, but yeah, this is negative. Yeah, negative, but I am not stopped out. So what I'll do, if price comes up to here and reacts, okay, you get a bearish candle, I will then close B1, let's say here, B1, yeah, I will close this trade. Okay, all right, and then if price does come back down, yeah, sometimes I will also put another sell, a sell two. Okay, so I've taken profit from here to here. Okay, I've closed that buy. I am still in the original sell. All right, and then I can enter another sell order, and then we can take price down, and then this sell order will be in profit, and then if it comes below this level, yeah, my second sell, my first sell order will be in profit. Okay, but again, you do need to have a stop above here. Well, let's call this B2. Okay, guys. Yeah, like I say, guys, it is a little bit advanced, but please check out the tutorial for this. And also, guys, if you're interested in my mentorship program, then please drop me an email at hello-simplyforex@gmail.com. All right, and we look at different advanced strategies like this on managing risk. Okay, so looking at those pink lines now, it looks like the work of a crazy man, but this is actually, yeah, an effective tool to manage risk. Yeah, you can take profit on the upside and on the downside. Okay, but obviously, guys, it's not a magic wand. Price can keep doing this, can keep going up, and you'll be in another buy order. Okay, but as long as you follow your money management, you'll be okay. So yeah, so I entered here. I'm in a sell order here, and I'm in a buy order here, and then I will manage this trade accordingly. Yeah, lots of professional traders manage trades, to be honest with you guys. It's not as clear cut as just having a stop. Hit your stop, I'm out of the trade. People will manage that trade. Okay, it's not as clear cut as that all the time. Sometimes it is. Some people are very mechanical. All right, guys. But yeah, so this was an unsuccessful trade. Okay, but I will manage this trade today as I explained. Okay, the next trade from yesterday was this. This was the euro against the New Zealand dollar. And we were looking to buy this pair, yeah, for obvious reasons, guys. Yeah, let me zoom out a little bit so you can see this. So for obvious reasons, guys, it's clearly in an uptrend. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Yeah, and we're on the way up again. Okay, then we got this bullish candle form, okay, which broke this last red candle here. So the idea was just to come up to this blue line or even this blue line. Okay. So yeah, it didn't quite get there, guys, before it rejected. Okay, I'm looking at this daily candle now. I probably wouldn't keep buying this pair. So if you are in the trade or have 20% remaining, I would think about closing it. But let's look on the H1 again, and let's see what happened with this pair, guys. So with this pair, guys, the problem with this is we just didn't get a retrace. Yeah, by the time I'm looking at the market, yeah, it is around here. Okay, and then price has already come all the way up to here. Okay, so I didn't really get an entry, guys. Even when price come back to our grey zone, none of these candles tell me buyers are in control. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what it does today at this grey zone. It could well bounce off and come back and test these highs. But because of that daily wick, yeah, the daily candle that I just showed you, I'll be reluctant to take buys anymore with this pair. So again, guys, with this pair, we didn't really have a trade. And obviously, you know, any of these candles happened overnight. I was asleep. All right, guys. So yeah, no trade on Euro New Zealand dollar, no trade in Aussie dollar Swiss franc. And depending how you trade the Aussie dollar Canadian dollar, that was an unsuccessful trade. Okay. So yeah, that's the recap, guys, from yesterday. Let's look at today's potential trades now. Guys, so a mixed bag yesterday, guys. Yeah, we had two currency pairs that we couldn't trade and one unsuccessful trade. But, you know, we'll have losing trades, no problem. Follow your money management. Guys, so today is Thursday, the 15th of September, first of all. If you're enjoying the recap or you enjoyed the recap, then please, you know, subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and also smash the like button. Please support the channel, guys. Thank you very much. Also, guys, remember our Discord channel. We've recently set that up. All our traders are in there talking to each other about different trades. So join the Discord channel. And also, guys, never forget the live. Yeah, the live stream. We had one yesterday morning, guys. I'd like to give a big shout out to everyone who asked a question. Yeah, some really good questions in there, guys. I hope I was able to help you, and we'll do it all again next Wednesday. So yeah, come join us every Wednesday. Get your questions ready. Even come on and join us face to face if you dare. All right, guys. So today, guys, we're going to do something a little bit different, and I'll tell you why. Because I looked at all 28 currency pairs this morning. That's how many pairs I look at, so you don't have to. But I couldn't find a suitable trade, guys. Yeah, some days we haven't had this for a while, but we just don't have a setup on any of the day charts, guys. Yeah, none of them make sense to me. So instead, what we're going to do is we're going to listen to your analysis. So I'm going to give you two charts to look at. And then I just want you can leave a comment below the video, or you can leave a comment in the Discord channel or the Telegram channel, whichever you prefer. All right. And I want you to analyze these charts. I'm going to give you two charts to analyze. And I want you to tell me, would you buy this pair or would you short this pair? I know normally, guys, it's would you buy this pair, would you short this pair, or would you stay out of the market? Okay, and for me, I'm staying out of the market. But if you had to trade one of these pairs that I'm going to show you, what would you do? Would you sell it or would you buy it? All right, so the first one is this. I'm very intrigued to listen to your analysis, guys. Yeah, gives me a good understanding of where your trading is at. All right, so the first one is this. This is the pound against the Aussie dollar. I am not going to help you, but this is the day chart. This is the day chart. Yeah, I suggest you look at all different time frames. Remember, I do a top-down approach, guys. Yeah, I look at the weekly, daily, H4, H1. So I want you to analyze the pound against the Aussie dollar. Your only two options are, would you buy it or would you sell it? And I also want you to tell me, yeah, where are your grey zones? Yeah, where would you buy or sell from? All right, guys. So, yeah, the first pair is the pound against the Aussie dollar. All right, I look forward to your responses. And then the second one, guys, is this. This is the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. Okay, again, I'm not going to help you. Yeah, but I suggest you do a top-down approach, weekly, daily, H4, H1. Yeah, you have to choose a direction, long or short. Yeah, buy or sell. Okay, and then again, I want you to tell me if you're going to buy or sell, and I also want you to give me some prices in which you are going to buy or sell. All right, so yeah, guys, I look forward to your analysis. Let's see who is the trading genius amongst you. So yeah, that's it for today, guys, because we just don't have any trade ideas. So there's no. So I'm going to do this instead. Yeah, I think this will be very interesting. All right, guys. So yeah, please leave a comment. You can do it in the Discord channel, in the comments below the video, or even our Telegram channel. So yeah, let me know what you think of pound against the Aussie dollar, US dollar against the Canadian dollar. Okay, guys. We will now take a look at the news. This will also have some bearing potentially on what you decide to do. Okay, so let's take a look at the news now. Guys, if you're enjoying this daily morning analysis, then please subscribe to the channel, smash that notification button, and also smash that like button, guys. Yeah, it really helps support the channel. And I'm really looking forward to the challenge I set you today. Can't wait to hear some of your analysis. Right, guys, news. This is going to be important for your analysis as well. So news today. So overnight, 2:30 London GMT coming out of Australia, we had some employment data, and that was worse than expected, as you can see. But that's been and gone. The first important news that we're interested in today is this. So yeah, at 1:30 London GMT, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of news, 4 3-star ratings coming out of the US. Okay, so we've got core retail sales, initial jobless claims, Philadelphia Fed manufacturing, and retail sales. So guys, this could really move the US dollar today. All right, so must be aware of that. Okay, if we carry on down, as you'll see, there is no other news that we're interested in. All right, guys, so yeah, only that slew of US data coming out of 1:30. All right, guys. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. I hope you have a great trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow, guys.